Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, we will explore an example of Spark structure streaming with file as a source. So let's start the video. Consider a scenario where you get bunch of files in real time and you want to process the file as soon as it arrives and store it in some DB. So how we can do this? A quick solution is to process all the files present in the directory and then move the processed file to some other folder so that your incoming folder has only new files. But in this approach, you need to take care of archiving the files and you have to separately handle the failure scenario. Let's say your job completes writing some records but fails before you archive your files. And you don't want to miss any record. And you also don't want to create duplicates. This requirement is popularly known as exactly once processing. Handling failure scenario and achieving exactly once processing is a complex requirement. And it needs a significant amount of time to code and test it. So, is there a better solution? Yes, you can implement exactly once processing with Spark Structure Streaming. So let me go to my IDE and write the code to process the file in real time. So this is my IDE. Now let me create a Scala object. So I will right click on the package and then click on Scala class. Give a name to your Scala object. I will give the name as streaming file source and select object and hit enter. So this is my Scala object. Now let me create a main function. So I will write main and hit Ctrl plus space and my main function is created. Now let me create a Spark session object. So I will write val spark equals spark session dot builder dot app name. I will set the app name as file source and then master, I will set the master as local. And then in the config, I will set spark.streaming dot stop gracefully on shutdown as true and at the end get or create. I have used stop gracefully on shutdown. In Spark, this ensures that the current batch of data is processed before shutting down, thereby reducing the risk of data loss. Now, I will read the CSV file, which has ID, first name, last name, email, and gender as the columns. I will read this file using readstream. So, I will write spark.readstream.format. Our format is CSV and we know file has the header. So, I will set option header as true and then option path as input. I will place my input files in the input folder and at the end .load. So this code will help us to read the file. Let's print the schema of the file by rawdf.printSchema. But in Spark Structure Streaming, infer schema is disabled and we have to enable it. So in Spark session, I will add the config spark.sql.streaming.schema_inference as true. And now it should print the schema of the file. I will copy input file 001 in the input folder. And now let's execute the code. And if I scroll up, this is the schema. Now let me write some processing logic to filter out records with gender as female. So val processDF equals rawDF dot select, and I will mention the column names. And at the end, dot where gender equals female. Now I will use this processDF with WriteStream to write the data. So I will write processDF dot WriteStream dot format. I will use CSV as the format. Then in the option, I will set the option path as output. I want header in the output file, so I will write option header as true. And then output mode is append. I will set checkpoint location also. And at the end, start dot await termination. Now let's execute the code. Now if I refresh, you can see checkpoint directory and the output folder is created. And you can see the output file also. I will place input file 002 in the input location, and Spark will process the new file. And if I refresh it, here is the output. I will copy file 003 and refresh it. You can see the output. So, output files are created in output folder in CSV format with header and filter on gender as female. And they are processed as soon as we put the file in the input location. So we have reached to end of our today's video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.